Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here. Today's video we are going to walk you guys through the entire form filling process for XAT. A lot of students end up making stupid silly mistakes in your XAT application form and then later on regret कि अरे मुझे XLRI की call नहीं आई because I filled in the wrong academic details or wrong marks for your graduation or your work experience. So please let's make sure you watch this video right till the end to understand each and every step of the XAT form filling process and make sure you save this video and keep. अभी तो आप देख लो पूरा वीडियो बट जब आप एक्चुअली फॉर्म फिल करोगे at slow speed keep watching it so that I am there with you as a guide and mentor to help you figure out each and every step of the application process. Alright, let's get started with the XAT application form. Firstly, go to xatonline.in. There right on the top you can see XAT registration. So here we will enter our details. You enter your name, email address, and they will ask you to enter your mobile number and set your own password. Okay, so you will choose your password. Make sure it is something easy which you can remember and you will not forget. Enter the state, city and the captcha. Then we can get registered and move further ahead to the complete application form. Now here when you are there, like they've mentioned, please keep a track of the email address for all the further process. So now you need to go and check your email. You have got your XAT 2026 registration welcome email, which says that you have to verify your email for the further process. Quickly click on the verify email option. Now your entire XAT application form has opened up. Here you can see GMAT GRE application for XLRI 2026 on top. Second, you can see XAT application form 2026. So we will look at applying from the XAT application form. The GMAT and GRE is accepted for your GMP program at XLRI. Okay. Now in the XAT application form, here you have to fill in your basic details first. You have different sections: basic details, academic details, work experience details, test city details, and you have to upload your final documents. So first we will go to the section of basic details. Here you will put in your personal information. So your name would already be added from the start itself. Name, email address, phone number is already there. Whatever is got star mark, that is mandatory. Okay? Alternate mobile number, you can give your parents number or your siblings number whose number you will check. Okay, date of birth, do not make a mistake in your date of birth. This is very essential. Okay, so you please submit your correct date of birth. Your age will be automatically calculated. Look at your gender, nationality and the marital status. Very important, a few students had done this mistake. Apna marital status married dal diya in the application form and then at the time of admissions had to struggle to get that changed. Okay? Then you have got your blood group category to be entered. Okay, so hi everyone, once you have entered your nationality, marital status, blood group, now very important is to choose the category that you belong to. So choose whether you are from general, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, which category do you belong to. XLRI does not officially have different cutoffs category wise, but there is some consideration given to reserved category students in the overall selection process. So you can be rest assured कि कुछ तो benefit मिलेगा, but aim that there is no benefit and you are getting 96 percentile plus to make it to XLRI flagship program. Okay, then you have to answer two more questions: whether you belong to the PWD category, whether you belong to the Kashmiri migrant family, yes or no. Okay, then you have to, if not a Kashmiri migrant family, then Kashmiri non-migrant family में जाके वहाँ पे yes choose करना है. Okay, then we have to enter our parents details. Okay, so you enter your father's name, mother's name and email address also. Whatever is required, please make sure you check all of this is got mandatory asterisk sign, right? So I have to enter their name, email address, contact number and occupation. So ensure to put that with the annual income, designation, where are they working. All right, after entering your parents' information, now comes the communication address. Your country, state and city will automatically be populated from what you have submitted before. Just enter your current address where you would want any communication to be shipped over to you. Not that that is going to be coming right now, but yes, we should give in the right information. Then you choose next option and move further ahead. In case if you want to pause the form and you want to come back to it later, so you can click on save and exit instead of clicking on the next button. Okay, now we've moved on to the academic details section. First you have to enter your 10th, then your 12th, which is your 12th or diploma option details, then your professional degree and graduation details, which have to be entered. Please make sure you take full care while uploading this particular section. Just like CAT, you should ensure best of 5 nahi lena hai. All subjects marks, all aggregates have to be accurately entered here. So quickly give yourself 10 minutes of time to make sure you fill this section properly. Okay, and keep your mark sheets handy with you to check and submit them. All right, so first comes my state. Which state do you belong to? Then you choose the city, then you choose the institute name. So here you will put in which school did you belong to, then we put in which board that we belong to. So like Maharashtra State Board, board type is state board. You enter in your year of passing when you have finished your 10th. Then you choose the marking scheme, whether it was percentage or it was CGPA. It's a very good thing that you have so many options here, unlike in CAT where we have to put total marks and automatically percentage is calculated. Here I have an option whether it was percentage scale or you had a CGPA out of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It depends on college to college, university to university. So let's make sure that you enter the correct information. Once you have chosen the marking scheme, you have to enter your maximum marks. This is total marks. Obtained marks, how much did you get total? Then your percentage is automatically going to be calculated. If you enter CGPA to percentage वो भी वो automatically calculate कर लेंगे. Now my 12th section. Here again, first we have to choose the state that we belong to. Then we go into the city, which we have done, institute name, the board that you belong to, the board type, stream, very important. Your stream is very significant for 12th and graduation because your academic diversity marks are going to come from here. So whether you were from arts, commerce, science or any other, choose correctly. Then you enter your year of graduation. When did you complete your 12th standard? Again, the marking scheme, whether it is percentage or CGPA funda. So you put in that. Maximum marks is my total marks of the all the subjects included. Obtained marks is how much we have got. Then your percentage is automatically calculated. Now, do you have any professional course degree such as CA, CS, ICWS, CFA, which you can say yes or no. If you have, then you will have to enter the details for the same. Now comes my graduation. Here you have a graduation type, whether you have single, dual or integrated. So जो हम regular करते हैं, that is single. Dual is if you have done dual programs like BCom plus LLB, BBA plus LLB. Integrated is BBA plus MBA, BTech plus MTech, those kind of programs. Now, graduation stream, you have very limited options, which makes your life easy. Whether you are from engineering and technology, management, commerce, science and maths, arts, humanities, law and others. So we choose correctly. So engineering and technology. Graduation state. So we look at Maharashtra. NIRF ranking of the college, whether it is ranked or not. So if it is ranked, very good. Then you have to choose your institute or graduation university. Right? So here we have University of Mumbai. Then you can choose your college. Which college do you belong to? NIRF ranking of the University College Institute, NIRF ranking type which belongs to, NIRF ranking band. If you are aware of it, great. If you are not aware of it, Please Google search it, chat GPT पे search your college का NIRF ranking and then submit that. But that is required. Then you have to say whether it is a central, state, deemed, private, foreign university, IIT, NIT or other category. So then you choose which university it is. Graduation exam pattern. Did you have semester wise exams or did you have year wise? Some colleges have yearly fundas also. So please choose as per semester or yearly wise. Now you have to put aggregate marks across all the semester or years till date, so that all the students who are in final year, abhi tak jitne semester hue, whether you have marks of 5 or 6 semesters or you have marks of 3 or 4, depending on how many years your degree is, you please add all of them and put it here together. So first we choose our degree, then we choose which engineering, like I've done computer science engineering, so you choose your discipline, then you choose your year of passing, when did you complete, your result status, awaited or declared, marking scheme, again percentage or CGPA, then you have to put your final marks that you have got. All right, and your percentage will be automatically calculated. Do you have a postgraduate degree? For all the students who've done an integrated program, you will put your postgraduate degree as yes here. If you have done any other diploma, 1-year certificate programs, which is there for masters or an MCom, MSc, please make sure you enter that as well. Otherwise, click on no and we move on to our work experience and the program details. Work experience, do you have work experience? Yes or no? If no, freshers ho to no karo. Yes hai to it will ask you further questions. Then, are you currently employed? If you are still working, then you choose yes, otherwise no. Now, very important, they are putting your experience till 31st March 2026, which is till next year. Okay, so you have to make sure you keep that in mind कि हम डाल रहे हैं futuristic हमारा work experience, which is there. So you will put no part-time projects, apprenticeship, articleship, pre-graduation work is accepted. Only full-time work which is done after your graduation is completed is accepted. Job type में self-employed, unstructured or structured sector. Name of the organization, where are you working? Which industry does it belong to? The company name and contact details, you can check it online and you can share those numbers. Okay, then from which date to which date have you been working here? So you choose the exact date of your joining till your date of completion, till when did you work, and accordingly they will calculate your number of months work experience. If you have more than one job experience, click on more and add them up as well also. Now comes program details. Based on the programs I will choose at XLRI, I will be paying 200 rupees per program. So which all do you wish to apply? Now here, very important, if I choose business management, I am applying to Jamshedpur and Delhi, both the campuses. HRM, general management, and do I want to choose for IEV, which is only in Delhi? Do I want to look at logistics and supply chain? It depends, right? Then which is my first preference, HRM or BM? So I can choose which is my first preference. Then you can proceed further ahead. Very important, they have mentioned is जो GM program है, that is the executive program. For that minimum work ex required is 3 years. So if you have less than 3 years, तो GM मत select करो, सिर्फ BM और HRM select करके move on to the next stage. Now we come to our test city details. Here we have to choose 6 test city preferences where we would like to go and give the exam. There is no assurance that I will get the same city, so please do not worry about it कि मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. 6 में से कोई भी preference मिल सकती है. There have been instances when people have got their 6th preference, but that totally depends on first come first basis. It depends on where you are located and it also depends on how many people have registered for that particular location. Okay? So I've chosen 6 city preferences. Now you have to give tentative interview city also. So interviews happen on campus and in metro cities. So we will choose our main metro cities like Jamshedpur, so that I can give the interviews on campus, and Mumbai location as well also. And we proceed ahead to the documents. Now here you have to upload your recent passport size photograph, which you can take it from DigiLocker or you can take it from your folder. Remember, we made a folder on our dashboard on our desktop for CAT forms with your documents. So from there, take your photograph, take your signature and upload that. Photo proof of identity, we can put PAN card, so we can choose and upload our PAN card or Aadhaar card. Okay, आपको document के साथ में you will also have to write the PAN card number details, and then you can go ahead and move to the next section where I have got now just my declaration and the payment to be done. The payment will include the XAT application form fees plus the fees of the programs that I have selected, which is I have selected 2 programs, BM and HRM. So my fees is got 2,600, which is 2,600 for the entire application process right now. So submit, make the payment, and your application is now complete. Please keep a copy of your application saved with you so that in case any difficulties, any discrepancies in future, you have a copy of your document with you. All right, stay tuned to the channel for further updates on how to apply to various colleges and your preparation strategy. Any doubts, any questions in your form filling, your preparation, drop in the comment section. All the best, take care.